So audience, we will start our session in next 6 minutes. Yes, let us start with the video. Chalish. Okay, so we are starting the session for today. 2 weeks back, uh, one client came to meet me at our office. He's basically an employee working with a corporate company, a private good corporate group. So he was looking for a business opportunity since long. So he shared his stories with me. That since long I have been looking to for new business opportunity. So that is why I have come to you, because you have got many options. And after doing all the processes, what we do with all our clients, whether it is a brand or a client, we have done all the processes like the assessment from the proper analysis before meeting him, and we suggest him good franchisee business options, and out of which uh, he was interested in one or two options also. One thing he asked me, that because even I have a background of working with corporate sector for 11 years, so he asked me that, Samir, what is the right time to leave my job and what is the right time to start the franchisee business? So I said him one thing: what is the right time to leave your job, that you need to decide, because it differs case to case basis. When I left my job, I just decided without looking for any opportunity, I just resigned on next day, and then I started my journey and reached on this level after many 8 to 10 years. But yes, in your case, you have many plus point which I did not have at that time. Like today, I'm here to suggest you many franchisee business options. There are many FOFO and FOCO franchisees. So what you can do, if you want to start any franchisee, do it now. You can take the decision today itself. Start at least a small business. It can be between a budget to 5 to 20 lakh, depending on the individual requirement and their budget. And once you are established, take the decision of leaving your job later on, maybe 6 months, 1 year or 2 years down the line. Otherwise, what will happen then, once you shift to your job, you will be lost in your day-to-day current life. You will start getting phone calls from your boss, your clients, your colleagues, and somewhere you will get lost. So decide a timeline within 7 days. Decide what you want to start, and next 15 days, take a decision and take action into it. But unfortunately, it, nine, the things what happened with 99% of the people, that happened with that guy also. When he left my office, he reached his job, and again he got lost with his boss and multiple phone calls. Good evening, this is Samir Desai, your franchise expert, franchise consultant, and franchise business coach from Franchise Insider. The story which I have shared with you, maybe hundreds and lakhs of corporate employees or people are facing in a day-to-day life, because myself have worked with private sector for more than 10 years. So I know what challenges person faces. But I would say just one thing only: if you don't have so many EMI responsibilities, so many financial fixed burdens, and if you are not happy, if you always wanted to move step ahead, take that decision now. 2020 is the time you will get enough time to do your all research and studies to take that golden decision. Definitely, because you are not going to this much of a precious period, to which can turn around your life in coming time or your career in coming time. So, Seedhi Baat with brand owner, as we have shared with you that the reason or the purpose to start this webinar series is to introduce the audience with different franchisee brand owners, wherein they come personally, they share their business journey about their brand, how they started this brand, what are their success stories, what support they provide to their franchisees. So today we have a category specifically wherein I see a very good, business opportunity in coming time, not just in future, even in current scenario. In this particular industry, this industry is flourishing like anything, and in coming future time, it is going to flourish. I'm damn sure about it. Why? Because currently we have been looking across the globe. What we see, there are multiple two kind of crises. What we can see, one is a job crisis, and same time employers are facing the challenge of getting right resource. I'm not telling about resource, but to get the right resource is again a big challenge for all the employers. So this is the industry, is HR recruitment organization or industry, I would say. The brand name, which is they're present in since last 2002, 18 years it is their presence. More than, I would say, 200 of employee strength they have, working with 58 plus franchisees across India. Yes, 58 successful and happy franchisees they do have, with 2,500 plus diverse industries. Yes, I'm repeating, 2,500 plus diverse industries means employers where they have been providing the right resources, right manpower. So I don't think means as far as trust factor is concerned, इससे ज्यादा आपको कुछ चाहिए होगा. 18 साल का इतना गोल्डन एक्सपीरियंस के साथ this company is coming to represent their journey. They are going to share so much of things with you, their stuff, and luckily we are trying today. उनके एक एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेंचाइजी आज खुद आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. However, he is not feeling well, but we are trying our best कि वो हमें ज्वाइन करेंगे, वो अपनी स्टोरी भी हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे, रूबरू होंगे. So today we have managing director of Talent Corner, Mr. Rashesh Doshi. Rashesh is with us, and I know Rashesh personally since last more than 4 years, and the dedication, the passion which he has, not just in terms of business development, but to develop in the personal relationship with their franchisee, that later on वो franchisee ना रह के they become their kind of a family member, right? So that is their strength, their success story. And if you are a homemaker, I repeat, maybe आप अभी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आपके जानने में ऐसे काफी लोग होंगे जो maybe you are homemaker, जिनको बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, कॉर्पोरेट से निकल के कोई छोटा मोटा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, हैविंग नो लॉट ऑफ 5-10-25 लाख का बजट नहीं है. सो ऐसे कोई भी लोग आपके ध्यान में है, अभी उन्हें मैसेज करिए टू जॉइन दिस वेबिनार राइट नाउ, बिकॉज आप सबके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है इन अ लो बजट फॉर्मेट. घर से बैठ के ये बिजनेस आप कर सकते हैं, और ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो फ्लरिश करने वाली है बहुत ही बढ़िया लेवल पे. अगर इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट ऑन वेबिनार, फ्रेंचाइज इनसाइडर हमारा फेसबुक पेज है, वहां पे भी आप उसको लाइव देख सकते हैं. तो ऐसे जो भी आपके जानने वाले उनको अभी इन्फॉर्म करिए, मैसेज करिए टू ज्वाइन दिस वेबिनार लाइव राइट नाउ. So I will not take much time. Today we have a wonderful and dynamic speaker with us, Mr. Rashesh. Rashesh, welcome to this webinar, Seedhi Baat with Brand Owner. Let us share your success stories, your company, and the opportunities what you are going to provide to your franchises. Over to you.
Great, thank you, Samit bhai, for this kind introduction, and thank you everybody who's been there to join us in this particular forum. I'll wait. Samit bhai, you like to change me to spotlight video?
Just a second. Shailesh, can you just change the spotlight video?
Yes, thank you so much. So Samir bhai, with your permission, I will speak in English and I will also add Hindi. हिंदी में भी थोड़ा बात करूंगा so that हर एक type की audience को इसमें interest रहे. Every audience is going to get the value out of this. My name is Rashesh Doshi. I am the managing director of Talent Corner. I have been a part of Talent Corner for the last 16 years. It is an 18 years old business. 18 साल पुरानी company है. My father, Mr. Bankim Doshi, started this company. He is still a very integral part of the business. In fact, हम लोग एक पक्की गुजराती फैमिली है. Mom, Dad, मैं तीन इस बिजनेस में एक पार्ट है. Dad हमेशा financial compliances और strategy संभालते हैं. I am in charge of business development and growth. My mother is in charge of franchise management and focusing on them growing better. तो एक पूरी टीम है. Along with a team of almost 27 people at the head office, जो काम करते हैं to ensure that we are India's top 100 franchise opportunities, which has been awarded recently in 2020. हम लोग की opportunity जो है इंडिया की top 100 franchise opportunity में से एक है. तो ये franchise opportunity क्या है, right? The best part ये एक low investment franchise opportunity है. आप जहां भी जाएंगे आपको बोला जाएगा कि एक बिजनेस इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए या फिर बिजनेस चालू करने के लिए you have to invest 5 lakh upwards. My investment is not that much at all. In fact, my investment is below 3 lakh rupees, right? And ये investment, why is it low? ये investment इतना कम क्यों है? Because we had made it not compulsory for anybody to have an infrastructure. आपको एक ऑफिस की जरूरत नहीं है. You do not need an office. You can work from the comfort of your homes. As long as you have a laptop या computer, telephone line, internet connection, and time. Time being the most important essence. आपके पास time होना चाहिए तो आप ये business शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. आप ये business कहीं से भी कर सकते हो. हमारी जो फ्रेंचाइजी है वो इंडिया की हर पार्ट में है. जम्मू में है, नेल्लोर में है, मुंबई में है, बैंगलोर में है, रायबरेली में है, जमशेदपुर में है. छोटे से बड़ी सिटी में हमारी फ्रेंचाइजीज है. हम लोग ये डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करते कि फ्रेंचाइजी कहाँ बेस्ड है. सिर्फ एक इच्छा होनी चाहिए. पीपल शुड हैव द विलिंगनेस टू डू बिजनेस एंड देन वी गिव दिस फ्रेंचाइजी टू देम. लाइक समीर भाई मेंशन्ड कि जब व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू डू बिजनेस, जब आपको एक बिजनेस करना है तो आपको यहाँ से सोचना चाहिए. हमेशा यहाँ से सोचेंगे. व्हेनेवर यू थिंक फ्रॉम हियर यू विल गेट स्टक अप. एक बार आपने डिसाइड कर दिया, यहाँ से सोचा है, व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड कि आपको यू वांट टू डू अ बिजनेस, स्टार्ट. The idea is to start this business, right? So like I mentioned to you earlier, first things first, we are a low investment business and you can work this from the comfort of your home as well. You need not build a team. If you feel that you want to work alone, if you feel that you do not want to hire anybody, no problem. You can work all by yourself. You want to start off alone and then build a team as things progress, you can do that as well. आपको घर से चालू करके बाद में ऑफिस में जाना है वो भी कर सकते हो. We give you complete flexibility. आपको पूरी flexibility दी जाती है कि आप अपना business कैसे करें. Again, I repeat, complete flexibility on how you run this business. You can start this business alone. Now, let's say you start this business. The first question you will get in your mind is, I don't understand anything about the recruitment business. मैं ये business के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ, right? So training responsibility is mine. I will train you. Me and my team are going to be training you. For the last 11 years, we have trained many franchisees, and these are very structured trainings that we provide, right? These trainings which we are providing, we have a 3-way process towards providing these trainings. Okay, the first thing is when you join, जब आप हमारे साथ जुड़ते हो, you go through an induction program. Okay, ये induction program आपके साथ होता है. Normally, whenever an induction program happens, okay, it is typically a 2 days induction program on a 1-to-1 basis. However, in this induction program right now, because of coronavirus situation, our induction program is happening online, which is typically becoming 3 days of time. After 3 days of time of induction program, there is a training practice which is conducted along with your team leader, right? 2 to 3 days of practice, and then you're about to start. In the middle, we have constant online trainings which are happening. Like very good companies, we have created our own learning center. अगर आप हमारी website पे जाओगे, if you go to our website, we have a learning center where if you put in your user ID and the password, which we will provide you, you will get all the learning content. Plus the team leader which we allocate to you. And this team leader will be deputed to you for a lifetime. We give you a lifetime support for this team leader. This team leader is going to constantly identify opportunities of training you. ये constantly आपके साथ interact करेंगे and वो लोग देखेंगे कि आपको कौन से तरीके की training की जरूरत है, okay? And they will get you trained. The support of the team leader आपके साथ lifetime तक रहेगा, right? Now एक बार आपने सब सीख लिया, सबसे ज्यादा लोग कहाँ डरते हैं कि business कहाँ से आएगा? I want to tell you this very proudly. Talent Corner today has more than 2,500 clients in different industries. We have clients in advertising media, in manufacturing, in logistics, in pharma, in IT, in e-commerce, you name the industry which we have clients in. The only industry that we do not service is call center and BPOs. ये industry में हम लोग काम नहीं करते हैं. In fact, जो lower level of insurance vacancies है, वो भी हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं. हम लोग उन्हीं कंपनी के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं जहां हम लोग वैल्यू प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. We want to work only with those companies where we can provide value, and therefore whichever kind of companies have a very high attrition rate, we do not work with these companies. So Talent Corner has 2,500 clients, which gives us more than 18,000 positions year on year. We have an in-house business development team of more than 7 people, okay, who are constantly looking to add new clients. Such that during the coronavirus period also, we have got good number of new clients, right? And these clients are distributed to our franchisees. You do not need to do any business development. Sales and business development will be done at the head office. And you know what is special about the sales and business development? When a client is given to you, जब एक client आपको दिया जाता है, it is only and only given to you. It is not given to anybody else. ये client किसी और को नहीं दिया जाता है. And you are allowed to interact with the client directly. We really believe in transparency, and therefore we believe that you should interact with the client directly. And the important thing is you can build relationship with the particular client. Relationships are very important in my business, and therefore you can build relationship with them directly, right? So business development is done by us. We give it to you. We give you the positions. We are giving you the job description. Now the process of recruitment, जिसके लिए we have trained you, the process of recruitment for which we have trained you is your responsibility. What does the recruitment process involve? It means understanding the requirement, interacting with the client, finding the right resumes using job portals and professional networking sites or headhunting, interacting with the candidates, shortlisting the best candidates, sending them to the client, getting the interview process done, getting probably a second interview round done, and finally getting the candidate to join the organization is what is your responsibility, right? So ये पूरा जो recruitment process है till the time the candidate joins in the organization, stays in the organization, that is your responsibility. At any point of time, if you get stuck up, right, don't worry about it, okay? We will ensure that we are supporting you and guiding you. Our team leaders are there to help you out with the same. And this is the constant support which I mentioned to you earlier. Whenever a candidate from your end joins a particular client, we get a service fee. हमें एक service fee मिलती है. ये service fee क्या है? What is the service fee? It is 8.33% of the annual CTC. और एक आम आदमी की भाषा में it is called 1 month salary, एक महीने की salary. 75% of this is given to all our franchises. I repeat, 75% is given to all our franchises, and Talent Corner head office keeps 25%. The billing, the collection, everything is done by the Talent Corner head office. We have a separate team for that. The idea is very simple. We believe that the heart of the business, जो इस business का heart है, is in servicing the client. And therefore, our franchisees are focused only in servicing the client. and building long-term relationships. Like I mentioned to you, billing, collection, GST compliance, legal formalities, everything is taken care by the head office. You don't need to get involved in it at all. When we receive the payment within 7 days of time is transferred to you and 75% is credited to your account. A proper statement of accounts is given to you. Now you will ask me, chalo training ho gaya, we're giving you training, we are giving you clients, we are giving you recruitment process, billing will take candidates kahan se milenge, where will we get the candidates from? Today, India has big job portals like Naukri, Shine, Monster, and there are various social media, professional media networking tools like LinkedIn, Facebook. All these places are available for candidates. With Naukri, Shine, Monster, you can go and buy them yourself, but they come at a very hefty price. They're बहुत महंगे हैं. What we do is we take a bulk deal, buy bulk inventory, and divide the cost. Believe you me, the cost of these job portal comes down to almost 1/5 of what is available in the market. That is a straight profitability for you. So what you save almost 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per year by becoming a franchise partner, because Talent Corner does not take a single rupee of profit in this. This is the service that Talent Corner offers. So in short, I do the training, I give you the clients, I give you the database, I do the billing collection, etc. The service of recruitment, जो recruitment process है, you need to do it. Demand also I generate for you, supply also I give you. Demand and supply को जो meet करने की service है, वो आप करते हो. Building a relationship with the client is your responsibility. Ensuring that the same client is happy with our services and is giving us new business continuously is your responsibility. Building lifetime relationships with the clients is your responsibility. So you are focused on the more important part of the business, which is servicing the client. This is a simple business process which we have. It is extremely simple in nature, and I hope you find value in associating with us. And today we even have one of our fellow partners, a good friend, a family member, a dear colleague from Talent Corner and a franchise partner of ours, Rahul Bhai, join us today. Rahul Bhai, thank you so much for taking out time. I know that you are not keeping well, and you were identified. You took test yesterday, and you were identified with COVID. But today you came to us. It means volumes for us. It means volumes that you taken out time even during these conditions and have stood up to the family of Talent Corner. I would like you to come on screen, and Sameer Bhai, you could bring Rahul Bhai on screen and ask him your question. Then we could move back because Rahul Bhai would want to go back and take rest.
Yeah, Rahul Bhai, can you please start your video? Hello. Yeah, can you hear me, Rahul Bhai? Okay.
It seems to be a technical issue.
He's connected, I think.
Yeah. Rahul Bhai, whenever you are ready, let us know. In the meanwhile, Sameer Bhai, if you want to go ahead and ask questions, audience time is very valuable as well.
Yes. Okay, well, Rahul Bhai, whenever you feel, okay, I think he's there. Okay, he started a video. So, good evening and welcome to today's session. And let me appreciate you because even in this scenario, when you are not well, you have been fine positive yesterday, but still you are there to share your journey as soon as possible. हम आपको सवाल करेंगे ताकि you can take proper rest. So Rahul Bhai, since you have been associated with Talent Corner as a franchisee, can you hear me? Am I audible to you?
Rahul Bhai's screen is open, I think so. There seems to be a technical issue. No problem, Samit. I think once Rahul Bhai is ready, he will come on board. Don't worry.
I think I got a video that audio that he is not have some audio. I don't know, some audio issues there.
Sure. Yes, Rahul Bhai. How are you, Rahul Bhai?
We are audible to you? Okay.
Yes, I think you should be audible. Rahul Bhai, are you there?
Okay, so can you listen to us? So we are audible to you, Rahul bhai? Hello.
Yes, Rahul Bhai, I think is able to hear us. Are you able to hear us, Rahul Bhai? I think your video is on, but we are not able to hear you, Rahul Bhai. No, Rahul Bhai, I think I request you to reconnect, Rahul Bhai.
Is he unmuted? Shailesh?
Unmute here.
Okay.
I think Rahul Bhai, if you can hear us, reconnect us again. Maybe there's a technical issue.
Yes. Shailesh, you take care of it. You can talk to him once he's connected. Once you are able to listen, you let us know. So we'll take him in between the question answer round. So by the time, I think, Rashesh, we should take it forward.
Yes.
Okay. So, so that's a wonderful information provided by you. Just a second. So, so all the information are very much useful. I'm sure those people who want to join, उनके लिए तो काफी सारी information useful रहने ही वाली है. How to associate with you, how you are going to support. But as an overall, since you have been with that's your basically a family business profession, and you started this. There are many questions which I have in mind. So let me start. I have noted it down. So the first question is, what are the values that the company is built upon, the Talent Corner?
So the Talent Corner is built on 3 fundamental values. One is trust, one is transparency, and one is relationships. These 3 fundamental values of trust, transparency, and relationships are imbibed with all our processes. Whether we are interacting with a candidate, whether we are interacting with a client, whether we are interacting with a franchisee, we are very focused on these 3 particular values. Now, just to explain to you how, how do we make it as, a trust, how do we put it into a franchise model? So we trust you. So first and foremost, if we are expecting trust from your end, the first step we need to do is put trust in you, right? So we trust you with our brand name, we trust you with our clients, and allow you to directly interact with the clients. We ensure complete transparency in the process. Whether we are allocating a client to you also, we ensure that we give you all the terms and conditions in writing. We allow you to directly interact, which is what I mentioned earlier as well. Whenever we are sending an invoice to the particular client, we will send you a soft copy. When the payment is collected, we will give you a proper statement of account as to what the payment has been collected. And we ensure complete transparency in the process. And when we know that trust and transparency comes together, then relationships are always going to be built. So trust, transparency, and relationships are the core values of Talent Corner.
That's a wonderful thing. Trust, transparency, and relationships. I think it is foremost important factor for any organization. जिसमें हमें लंबा association करना है with, as you have been maintaining a relationship with your all franchises like a family. So that I would definitely appreciate. So now, as we have discussed with you about the values of your company or organization, my next question to you is, so what are the impact of COVID-19 on your business, your particular profession, as an industry and as your company? You can share both the views.
Sure, sure. So, in all honesty, Sabir bhai, it would be unfair for me to say कि COVID का impact नहीं आया. COVID has to impact every business. But there are two, whenever something bad happens, something good also happens. So the good impact of COVID is that, a lot of our competition, which was in the recruitment business, decided to shut down. And companies like ours, which were resilient, okay, were the ones who actually benefited of the COVID situation. April month was bad. Like any other business, April month was difficult because all us entrepreneurs, we were trying to figure out how to work around this new situation which came. But May was better than April. June May se better tha. July was better than June. August was definitely better than July. And September, let me tell you, is brilliantly good as compared to August. Many people, the media tells you that people are firing people. They only talk about big companies firing people. Yes, big companies are firing people. But India, unfortunately, media is very focused around negativity. Nobody's talking about companies which are hiring. How many people know that the startup industry has done a record hiring? How many people know that the amount of business that has come to IT companies has been tremendous? How many people know that because of the entire focus of the government around the MSME segment, the MSME segment in India has grown leaps and bounds? If that was the numbers, why would people not hire? But unfortunately, media only talks about, the firing numbers. I can tell you with a reasonable amount of surety, there is equal and more opportunity coming from the other sectors. There is equal and more opportunity growing in India. And even during difficult times, Talent Corner has done closures of more than 300 closures in the year. Okay, we would have done much more in normal situations, but more than 300 closures in the year. We have been a profit-making organization in Q1, okay, which was a period of lockdown, okay, and we are very, very sure that good times are going to come, even better times are going to come, and all we need to do is we need to have a fighting spirit, and of course, we will grow, and business is going to grow. Nothing much to worry about.
Rahul bhai, can you hear us? If you can listen us, we can take your session, because I think you are unmuted yourself. So, okay. Okay. I think there might be some technical issue what he must be facing. Okay.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
Oh, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Finally, you are there. So,
my name is Rahul Thakkar, and I have been associated with Talent Corner for more than 2 years now.
That's a good thing. And let me welcome you to this session. That's a privilege of ours that even in this scenario, you have joined this session to share your experience with all the audience who are keen to start a business. And many might be joining soon with Talent Corner. So I will not take much time. I'll ask few of the questions which I have prepared to ask you about your journey. So Rahul bhai, what have been your reason of success as a franchisee partner of Talent Corner?
Well, actually, Actually speaking, I have been more focused on quality than quantity. And moreover, I always prefer to maintain a personal relationship. I maintain a direct personal relationship with the clients and the HR.
Okay. Wonderful.
So, it is more of a business relationship with a personal touch rather than business relationship alone.
Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. So you have been adding your values not just professionally but also as a personal relationship value.
Well, yes, I do that invariably with all my clients.
Okay,
I
wonderful.
talk to them, I chit chat with them, I casually have a discussion about family and other matters, other than business and all.
So next question is, so you have been with Talent Corner as a partner, franchisee partner moreover, it's been 2 years with
Well,
Talent.
yes, it's been 2 years, my association with Talent Corner and Mr. Ashish Doshi.
So have you grown as an individual?
Well, yes, I have grown, and there have been very good clients that they have allotted me, multinational companies and uh, large corporate groups as well.
Hmm.
So, of course, for a couple of months, the lockdown business has been a little up and down, but still, yes, I would say I have been very satisfied and happy as a franchisee partner for Talent Corner.
Wonderful. And last question, how have your relationship with Talent Corner benefited you?
Well, in many ways, Talent Corner has been very professional. And if I compare my relationship with the previous, business owner whom I was associated with, from Talent Corner, it is a very free hand sort of, they, as long as you are productive, there is nothing much to worry about. So not much of interference at all, and only support I have witnessed.
Okay. Okay. So apart from that, anything you would like to share with the audience or the people who are there present today and might be thinking to join Talent Corner as a franchisee? Any of your input you would like to share?
Well, yes, I would definitely vouch for Talent Corner as their franchisee, and I would definitely say that I made a right choice, and I'm doing well. Yes, the kind of corporate they are. Uh, I ask them whatever I want, because as a recruiter, you cannot be thorough with all positions and all business domains. We have our own expertise, our own skill set as a human being again. So I very specifically lay across my interest and what I really want to do, what sort of clients I wish to handle. And accordingly, based on that, I'm being allotted that type of clients. So my success ratio, my closure ratio has been good.
Okay, so in that case, you recommend the audience they should join as a franchisee with Talent Corner.
Well, yes, I would highly recommend. I would, because the company is quite, I would say, very professional, and they are very supportive to the franchisee partners.
So thank you so much, Rahul Bhai. The wonderful information, wonderful insight, and the nice experience what you have shared with us. Even during this scenario where you are not well found as COVID positive yesterday only. So we highly appreciate your efforts, tremendous efforts and support by you. And definitely if Talent Corner has a franchisee like you who are now more than a franchisee, you are definitely like a family to them. So I wish you good health and good success for your coming time. I believe you should now take a rest.
Yeah, thank you very much, Samir, because I was under 14 days quarantine.
Yeah.
But I am feeling better today after home quarantine and rest. So I'll carry on. Thank you once again, everyone, and see you all again. Bye-bye.
All right. Thank you so much.
Sure. Welcome.
So it was a really nice efforts by Rahul bhai. Okay, so since we have listened the inputs from the franchisee live, let us continue some of the questions. Now, I have one or two more questions, Rashesh, to you. Like as you said, major things have been taken care by you and your team members. So how about getting coordination with companies and employers? If I suppose if somebody is taking your franchisee, so who could do proper coordination? How it happens in a practical manner? If we talk about.
Sure. So the major coordination which happens between the employer and the employee, okay, this is typically happening by the franchisee itself. So there is a process which is laid down for the same. Right from interacting directly, and there's of course the team leaders which are there. So typically a business development team brings in a client, we give it to the franchisee. The franchisee then, reaches out to the client and understands the requirements, sends the CVs, coordinate the interview. And once the interviews happen at the client's end, takes the feedback. And once the feedback happens, then the selection and joining happens. So that entire process is done by the franchisee. And of course, at any point of time, if they get stuck up, we are more than happy to, assist them, because that's the one thing that we need to do is we need to assist them and make sure that the support is provided to them.
Okay. And like definitely many would have this question in their mind. So you can definitely share in detail about this particular point. As far as, because as a franchisee is working from X location, maybe from Ahmedabad or Bangalore or any location across India, your team is completely coordinating with you, where the employer might be in New Delhi or maybe in Mumbai or any different location. So you are sitting at X place, they are sitting at Y, employees from Z location. So if the transaction happens, right? If the transaction happens successfully, if that guy is appointed, and once the fee, the payment has been received, so who take care of all this process? Because it is not easy to coordinate with all the companies, for all the follow-up. So how does it happen, and how you assure that the franchises needs to be rest assured about their payment also?
Great, that's a good question, Samir bhai. So first and foremost, one of the things that people need to know is you could be based wherever. You could be based in Jammu, you could be based in Raebareli. The requirements that will be given to you is from all over India. So it doesn't matter where you're based. You could be based in Calcutta and you'll be working on a requirement in Mumbai. The entire process happens over the telephone and the internet. Regarding to the billing, collection, compliances, like I mentioned earlier also, हमारे पास एक team है. We have a team of people which is coordinating this entire process. Why we are not putting the responsibility on you is because we don't want you to get involved in anything which is non-income generating in nature. जिस चीज से फायदा नहीं है वहाँ involved नहीं होना है. And you basically will ensure the process is completed, billing, collection, everything is happening at the head office. Every time we are coordinating with the client, you are kept in loop. हमेशा आपको loop में रखा जाएगा, where you know कि आपके bill का payment का क्या हुआ है, कब आने वाला है, कब आ गया, उसका payment आपको कब transfer होगा. Everything is given in black and white. So because we are doing franchising for a good 10 years now, तो एक अच्छा खासा system develop हो चुका है and complete transparency is maintained.
Okay, so means with the help of technology, system, software and everything, and with the help of your team, so you have already maintained complete transparency in all your processes with the franchisee.
Yes,
so
we have a complete technological and transparent system.
Yeah, so means no one should be worried about anything as far as support is concerned, as far as their payment from the company is concerned, and then from you to his account is concerned. No one should be worried about anything.
Nobody. Yes, nobody needs to worry about anything.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now, moving to, I would say, before moving to a question, I think we have got some questions. Let me check. Yeah, we have a question from AJ. I don't know. Do you require a team to start this franchisee?
AJ, no, we don't require a team to start this franchisee. You can start alone as well. In fact, I would highly recommend that start alone. We Gujaratis say कि कुछ करने के लिए पहले अपने खुद के हाथ गंदे करने पड़ते हैं. And therefore, it is very important that you learn the business first and then start a franchisee along with team. So पहले खुद चालू करिए. If you think that the business is going well and you're not able to get enough time to service the client, then add on people. But start business yourself.
By the way, audience, अगर if you have any question, आपको कुछ भी सवाल है, आप chat box में अपना question डाल सकते हैं. You can raise your hand from the window.
Sure.
So we will take your questions one by one. There is a question from Gaurav. What kind of clients or industries which you handle?
So we have all kinds of clients. We have clients from the IT industry. We have clients from banking, finance, securities industry. We have clients from manufacturing. We have clients from logistics. We have clients from oil and gas. We have clients from across industries, you name it, and we have clients from there.
Shailesh, I think two people have raised their hand. If you can unmute them. Or you can ask your question in this chat box also.
There's also Rajesh, who is from Vizag, and he has put me a person. Rajesh, if you have a question, feel free to unmute yourself and ask a question. Okay. There are two people raising their hands.
Hello, can I go ahead?
Yes, please go ahead. Please
Yeah,
ask
what's
the
your good
question.
name?
Yeah. So, Rashesh, I just have one question to you. I just wanted to know, like, why recruitment business in this, why not other things, like maybe in the same specific investment range? And the second question is like, what is the conversion ratio? And let's say if I send 10 candidates to any company, so what is with the ratio? So that these two things I would
Can
like
you
to.
introduce yourself? What's your good name?
My name is Sarang.
Sarah. Okay.
So Sarang, obviously, like many other, there are always business opportunities in India. So why you should do recruitment business? I think it's a decision that you need to take. Personally, my experience and my passion is around recruitment. It is genuinely a low investment business. It's a business which does not involve too many risks. It's a business which allows me to interact with knowledgeable people. It's a business which has a greater and exponential potential of growing. And it's a business which has built great amount of satisfaction and wealth for me. So that's the reason why I'm doing a recruitment business. Of course, there is each entrepreneur and each promoter which wants and which believes in that. My submission out here is that I can only talk about recruitment business, and that's what I'm here to share. Coming to your second question, which is regarding the ratio, typically speaking, a good recruiter is someone who gets one selection for every 5 interviews, right? So a good ratio in the recruitment industry is 5:1, 4:1 is a good selection ratio. Understandably, it is not possible with that right in the beginning. So in the beginning, we have, whenever franchises are working towards it, they typically get 8:1. As they gain with experience, it comes to 6:1. And as they gain more experience, they gain to 4:1. I have franchisees, who are going as 1:1 as well. But of course, they've spent a lot of time in the industry.
Okay, that's great. I just have one more question, right? What are the challenges like that? So there are so many challenges. This question is related to the conversion ratio only, because there are various stages. Like first of all, the profile is not shortlisted. Even if the profile gets shortlisted, candidates are not ready to go for an interview. And if they go to even if they go and attend an interview, they won't be able to clear. Let's say if they clear first round, they won't be able to clear second round, or maybe they won't clear all the rounds. They won't reach to the last stage for the offer letter. And then basically, even if they received an offer letter, they sometimes reject that because they got different opportunity or something like. So what I feel is like in the entire life cycle there are various challenges. So how basically you help us to overcome those, because this is a day-to-day things which are getting faced in the recruitment, right? These are by everyone.
Absolutely. One thing I can tell you, that if you don't have challenges, there is nothing called business. So, every business has challenges. And that is the reason we get paid for it. So, if you're expecting a business without challenges, one should not do business at all. Now, coming to the challenges that you've spoken about, yes, there are lots of challenges that come, but none of these challenges are so big that one cannot overcome. Otherwise, the recruitment industry would not be a $3 trillion industry in India. So recruitment business in India is a $3 trillion industry as per GST records. What I could tell you is, typically what we do is whenever we are sending any CVs to the particular client, we are first ensuring that the particular candidate is being spoken to, is agreeing on the particular position, and then going for the interview, or the CVs are being sent. Once the CVs have been sent with prior permission, then a candidate is going to go for the interview, right? Unless and until he's got a different opportunity. And if they go for the interview, if they're good, they crack the interview. Obviously, a client is not going to be selecting a candidate who's not good, right? So you have to be the person who's getting it. You have to be the person who's ensuring that the quality is there. And ultimately, they get a good offer and they join the organization. Honestly, in all matters, I don't think we've had, apart from the operational challenges which are common, TalentCon has grown pretty well. Having done more than 20,000 recruitments, I think I'm a pretty satisfied person with that kind of, with the growth. And, most recruitment companies are happy with growing 20% and 30% a year. We have been lucky thanks to our franchise partners, where we've grown 50 to 60%. And if someone tells me there are challenges in the recruitment industry, I can tell them bring it on, because we are very capable of handling those challenges. We've spent enough years to learn how to handle those challenges.
Okay, that's great. One last thing, then I will stop that. Because each organization have their own recruitment team also. So what are the chances of that? Like, there's outsourcing. Of course, you have tied up with so many clients, 2,500 plus. But what are the chances? Like they might keep key positions with them, and then the rest of them are like that. Or how much is the percentage? They outsource to agencies or vendors or to recruitment agencies?
It is most profitable to outsource positions unless you're recruiting at a very high pace. So if you're a company which needs to recruit close to 2,000 people a year, IT companies like Capgemini and Infosys, then it makes sense. But in spite of that, these companies are outsourcing to recruitment companies. Think about the kind of value that a recruitment company provides. A, you don't need to hire a person. So there is no fixed cost. Because you're not hiring a person, you don't need to have a seating space. So there is no fixed cost around that as well. B, you have to pay the person only and only once the job is done. That is not applicable when you're hiring a person. Even if there's no recruitment done, you have to still pay your employees. C, you have to pay us after 30 to 45 days, whereas you need to pay the person immediately. And last part, we even give you guarantee. We give you a 90-day guarantee that if a candidate leaves the organization the first 90 days, we will offer you a free of cost replacement. It's a win-win. I don't think it's only business sense for a company which is looking to recruit anything between 1 person to 50 people or 100 people. It just makes practical sense to outsource the position to a recruitment company. In the underlying practice, it is more profitable.
That's great. Thanks, Rashesh. Thank you very much.
Okay, so let us move to the next question. Next question is from Atul Kundwani. Hello, I have a question. Why Talent Corner not appointed more employees and giving them target? Like if I suppose I'll be a franchisee and my task is also calling only. I think he's asking why you are not appointing employees and doing this stuff.
So in all honesty, we've had an internal recruitment team. But when we experimented and did work along with the franchisees, we realized that the amount of effort, the way our franchisees were treating our clients, the way they took care of them because they felt as if it was their own business was much superior. And we saw that the clients were very satisfied. You know, when there is a difference between someone who gets paid a salary and versus someone who's doing business for their own growth, that passion, that interest is always there in a person who is going to be benefited directly and largely. And therefore, we saw that conventionally, when in most recruitment companies, the selection ratio of around 20% of the positions given in Talent Corner because of our franchisees was 38%. And in some cases, some years it was even 43%. So when you have a happier client, when you have a client who's giving you more and more repeat positions, you know that your franchises are doing a good job. And that is the reason why we are going through franchisee. That is the reason why we've had a strong relationship with our particular client. And that is the reason why they give us continuous positions. So yes, for us, franchising is good. For some other companies, something else will go. But for us, franchising is work, and that is why we are looking for more like-minded partners.
Okay, so again, our next question from AJ. How many total franchisee are there and number of positions are given to the franchisee every month?
Great question, AJ. So we have totally 58 franchisees which are operational, and we give you a written down guarantee. It comes to you in black and white. I told you that we maintain a lot of transparency. We give you a written down guarantee that every month you'll be getting a minimum of 4 to 7 positions, which are exclusively given only to you.
Okay. Question is from Vinay. I am a recruiter from past 4 years, and right now I am earning 50K per month. Can I get more if I work with you? And average, how many closures I expect per month so that I can decide myself?
Sure. So Vinay, you and I both know the kind of money that the recruitment industry makes. And you and I both know the answer to this question is yes, that you will make a lot more money as compared to what you would make if you were an employee of a recruitment company. I am assuming that the reason that you are being working as a recruiter in a company and getting paid 50,000 rupees is because you are making 2.5 lakh rupees of money for your recruitment company. Typically, recruitment companies work at that kind of jumps. Now, you can put the math. If you are earning 2.5 lakh rupees for your recruitment company, let's say even if you earn 1.5 lakh rupees as alone, you can decide 75% of that is much higher than what you're currently making. So yes, of course, you will make more money. But yes, I would be very keen on understanding what kind of positions you're working upon, what kind of closures you are working upon to be able to give you some kind of feedback. So maybe we can get onto a call after this particular session and we could discuss. Only if I feel that it's mutually beneficial for you to enroll with us and that you will earn more money, I will tell you to go ahead with it.
Shall somebody who was raising his hand, if you can unmute him. I think some Rahul. Someone was there who was raising his hand. Rajesh Rayudu was, yes, he was.
Hello.
Rajesh Rayudu.
Can I ask question? This is
Roshan. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Roshan.
Good evening, sir. This is Rajesh from Vizag.
Yes.
Presently, sir, I'm working in one of the overseas recruitment companies since 7 years as an operations head. So I'm taking care of overseas recruitment only. And actually, in 2020, I had a plan to start my own recruitment business, to be honest. But because of this corona and all, I couldn't able to start. So when I gone through this talent corner, everything is okay for me. So only the questions which I have, like almost a previous person asked the same question. Presently, I'm getting 60 to 70. Is it possible to get more than that? How many closes I have to do that? What are the positions? Like basically, I'm a degree holder with the MBA, and IT is totally unknown for me. IT
Right.
sector. So you gonna give us IT only or something else?
Okay, so Rajesh, there are 3 questions that you've asked me in one question, and I will answer each of these questions. So I know that the international recruitment industry or the overseas recruitment industry is going through a very difficult time right now because of the coronavirus situation. Such that since the month of March, there has been barely any business that has happened. Therefore, a lot of people who are into overseas recruitment, there are, everybody who's been an overseas recruiter now wants to shift into India recruitment because it's more dependable. It's more, it's likely to take a positive course. And I'm sure you're also observing the Indian political and world political scenario where a lot of focus is on the growth in India. So yes, the answer to that is yes. The recruitment opportunity holds a lot of value to you in India. Um, if you are expecting to make 60 to 70,000 rupees per month, the answer to that is yes, you'll make it. But if you're expecting it to happen overnight, the answer to that is no. So what I don't want you to come with is I don't want you to come with an expectation that you will join the company and the next month onwards you'll be making 60 to 70,000 rupees. That would be a wrong expectation to have, and I don't want to bring you on with that kind of expectation. You will eventually get it, but it will come to you over a period of time. You'll perhaps make more money than that. And lastly, like I mentioned
Okay, thank you, sir.
earlier as well, that there is enough work coming in India, and it is only growing. So we've anyway promised you minimum 4 to 7 positions. The work is only growing in India. So I don't think there's anything much to worry about. And when the COVID situation goes away, believe you me, India is going to be on a trajectory of beautiful growth, and we will all benefit out of it in case we are working hard and we do patient. But yes, nothing works without a long-term vision. If you are someone who is looking to make money overnight, you are the wrong person to become a Talent Corner franchisee. I repeat, if you're looking to make money overnight, you're the wrong person. We are only and only looking at people who are patient investors, who are patient people in terms of working, and who are looking to build a long-term relationship. If anybody is not looking to
I
build a
agree with that,
long-term
sir.
relationship, with great humility, I'll fold my hand and tell you, do not become our partner.
Okay, so Satish, you are raising your hand. You can ask your question. You can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yeah, hi, Mr. Rajesh. This is Satish. I'm from Delhi. Sir, I would like to ask you. It's somewhere related to the same question that this is third time maybe. Somewhere the confusion revolves around the same thing. I'm about to ask you that what is the break even time period for this approximately? If I'm investing 2 lakhs, when can I expect them to be return back to me, or I can earn that amount working alone, or if I'm working with one more person, maybe so I put in my entire efforts, I convince somebody else also, so what can you give me some clarification about that?
That's a very fair question, Satish, and I will answer that to you as well. So first and foremost, I would strongly recommend you to start alone. Do not look at hiring someone initially. Start alone and then see how business grows. I'm going to give you an answer which is tending more towards pessimism rather than optimism. I believe everybody should be prepared for the worst than to be prepared for the best. Look at a break-even point. So your investment in the franchisee would be 2 lakh rupees plus GST, which is 2 lakh 36, and plus you will be investing into portals, so that your rough investment would be around 2.9 lakh rupees. This should ideally come back in your pocket in a pessimistic situation between 6 to 9 months. Again, I use the words pessimistic and I use the words money in pocket, not in the books, right? So you'll obviously have money to be recovered in the market, but you should be keeping in mind 6 to 9 months period, considering that you're someone who's not used to what the recruitment industry is. You have no experience. 6 to 9 months is what you should look at, and after that it will be profitability. Someone who's got prior recruitment experience, of course, that their growth path will be faster.
Okay. And the positions that you shared with us, like you were saying, like initially you'll be providing us 4 positions. All right. And the ratio also you told us that it's somewhere around 4:1, 8:1 type of mathematics that you told us.
So that's different. So what you mixed up 2 things together. So we will giving you minimum 4 to 7 positions. The ratio which I was talking about is number of interviews versus closure. So if I give you a position, and if you do 4 interviews for the position, you're likely to get 1 closure. They're 2 different things.
Okay, all right. The positions will be 4, but per position, the interviews an amount of
interviews. Yes, between 4 to 8 interviews, ideally land up to 1 selection.
All right. Okay, that answers my question. If I have any other questions, I'll ask you sure again.
Absolutely. You can reach out to us as well. I'm sure Samir will be putting our mobile number on this level, and we can do that as well. So Atul ji has asked me a question. Will you be providing, just a minute, I'll just check the question. He says, will you be providing mid and senior level positions? Atulji, my recruitment company, 65% of the positions that we get is mid-level positions, and 25% of the positions that we get is senior level positions. So almost 90% of the work that we get is on mid and senior level. A company would not want to give junior level work to a recruitment company because it's too easy to close. So typically 10% work is junior level. So yes, majority of the work given to the franchisees is mid and senior level itself. I hope I answered your question.
I think there somebody, Veturi, has raised the hand.
Yes.
I have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
Yeah, very good evening, everybody, and very good evening, Mr. Rakesh.
Good evening.
Hello. Could you able to listen me?
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you. You're loud and clear. Go ahead, Veturi.
Mr. Rakesh, I just want to, I understood everything, and thanks for the nice interaction with, and which have cleared a lot of questions. And I want to just ask you that, how about these portal payments, or it's one time, or every month we have to pay for that?
It's a yearly investment.
Okay, it's 1 year investment, everything.
1 year investment.
Whatever we are speaking here, the commercials like 2.9, it's for 1 year.
No. So franchisee fee, that is 2,36,000, is a lifetime investment. I'm sorry, I did not mention this earlier. 2,36,000, including GST, is one time, lifetime. You do not invest this money ever again. The yearly investment into job portal is between 55 to 60,000 rupees every year. That's roughly 5,000 rupees per month.
Oh, this is every year.
Every year.
And any of only 1 or 2 portals will be given, or 2-3 portals will be gone, or they are keep on changing or something? That will be decided after the.
Yes, so job portals, there are 2 job portals. Typically, Naukri and Shine are the top performing job portals. So we typically, in this 55 to 60, you will have 2 job portals.
Okay. No, because maybe the people like us don't know about these portals much. And you will be adding any from support like that of making out new portals, also bringing them on the board?
No, so we are not. That's a good question. So one, like I mentioned to you, India has 3 big job portals: Naukri, Shine, Monster. We work out a deal in which we are able to give, we are able to divide the cost. But apart from this, I'll be very honest to you, we are not looking at building our own job portal. We are not going to get into building any job portal because Naukri, Shine, Monster are more than enough. What we are doing is we are not looking at building a technology company. We are a service-oriented company. So our entire focus and energy is on servicing the client and not around building a job portal.
Sorry, Rashesh, you have misunderstood my question. Maybe I am wrong in asking. I just want to ask that maybe nowadays days are changing, new portals may be coming out which service the industry also. Are you people need to look out regarding this, and you will be trying, you will also negotiating with them regarding the price and something? And
yes. In case there is any job portal which is of value, we will be more than happy to engage with them. So we were in talks with Indeed as well, but we found them that the value was very high for the kind of service they were providing.
What is that, sir?
But yes, if the value, will take it further.
No. What is that portal?
Indeed.
Indeed. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Rajesh. Thanks for understanding.
Thank you.
I think there are questions from AJ.
Yes.
Is there any particular criteria you look into the franchisee before giving them franchisee?
Yes, we definitely look at certain qualities. So every franchisee that we bring on, we make sure that I have a personal conversation with them. I'm very clear that I want someone who has a long-term vision. I talk to them about their time commitment to this business. I talk to them about how they are intending to build a relationship with the client. I talk to them very transparently about their financial expectations from the business. I even talk to them about their previous experience and check out their communication skills. If by any chance I feel that someone is not going to benefit out of it, I myself tell them that they should not invest in our franchisee, because God has been very kind to us. We don't want to bring in someone who makes a loss. We want to make sure that they profit out of it. So we are very, very due diligent in terms of first interacting with someone prior, and only once we feel that it's going to be a win-win, we satisfy, we take it further. So that's how it is. AJ, I hope I have answered your question. I'd be happy to get onto a call with you and also answer more questions if you have any. Samir bhai, you have to put, I would request you to put Nehal's number on the chat. Friends, Nehal is the franchise coordinator from Talent Corner. Samir bhai is going to be putting her number. And if you want to contact us, she'll be happy to set up a call between you and us. In the meanwhile, Samir bhai, I have a couple of questions which have come on a private
Yes,
chat.
you can answer that. Yes.
Yes. So there is a question from Vinay. He says, do you put any limit for email? Is it Google email or Microsoft email? Vinay, my server is hosted by Big Rock, and we don't have any limits on the number of emails as long as you're not spamming them. So, typically speaking, in any email server, if you're sending bulk emails through spam, then automatically it will get blocked. But fortunately, we don't do that. We train you on not handling it. So typically, Big Rock is able to handle large amount of value in terms of email. We have a big server, so that should not be an issue for it at all. We've not had complaints like this in the past. There is a question from Rupam Chaudhary. Firstly, I want to know the website of your company. And secondly, apart from the job portal, will I have the liberty to search locally and also to social media and others? Yes, Rupam, the website of my company, I'm going to be putting it is www.talentcorner.in. Samir bhai, if you could put the website of my company as well, talentcorner.in. And yes, I'm more than happy if you look from other places, social media, LinkedIn, locally, all this is great places to look from. But yes, the job portals are the lowest hanging fruits, and they are available for you to get quick results. So it is best to use both these resources, job portal, social media, to find people. And investing into a job portal is a necessity. Just without a job portal, you will not be able to do business. Sudhir, what is the future of the HR industry? Tremendous. India is a growing country. The number of companies that are starting in India, just go back only in the month of August and go to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website and look at the number of companies that have started during coronavirus time. You will get rest assured that the HR industry is going to be a booming industry. Nothing to worry about the HR industry, and India's growth is definitely going to happen. The COVID is only a small blip into the growth of India. Believe you me, India will be a superpower in the future. And at that point of time, I'm really hoping that all of you are entrepreneurs.
Hello.
AJ is telling that thanks for answering my questions. I am interested and will meet you soon, sir.
I look forward, AJ, to meet you. My team will definitely get back to you and we'll be happy to meet you. AJ, if you could put in your full name in the chat so that we can connect with you shortly. And there is Rajesh Naidu who is still raising his hand if he wants to ask a question.
Sir, good evening, sir. Again, Rajesh from Vizag.
Yes.
Sir, like earlier during the introduction, you said, sir, that MSME industries, about the MSME industry. Did we added those like small scale industries, like companies, small companies also? You're working for them also, sir?
Yes. In fact, I love MSME industry. So a majority of my companies are MSME industries, and the single most focus that we have is to get more MSME companies because A, they value the relationship that they have. Two, they are very clear about giving quick results. Okay, and three, they make sure that you get your money on time. So we love the MSME industry, and we would want to have more such companies with us. That is where our focus is.
So one more question.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Go ahead. Like in future, like, is it any possibility to add our international clients or like something to grow internationally?
We are already working on adding international clients, but honestly, Rajesh, there is tremendous potential in India, and I would love to service more work in India as well. So a lot of energy and focus is on India right now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Because Vizag, it is a like totally manufacturing industry. If I like in future, like if you are giving me the positions to close it, and sitting in Vizag to source the candidate from Mumbai. Can I send the candidates to check our office or something like that if they really want to do candidates?
So typically, candidates don't want to come to the office. They want to go directly to the client's office. And so in fact, they basically go to the client's office itself. So a candidate never attend, what you call it, comes to our office. They don't have the time to do so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the clarity.
Thank you. And yes, AJ, thank you for asking your question. Happy to meet you. Sudhir, I've got your contact details. My team will set up a call with you. And Redmi, I don't know who you are, but do you have MNC clients? Yes, very much. A recruitment company which has been in business for 18 years. Definitely, we have a lot of MNC clients. But apart from MNC clients and large corporates in India, we really want to have MSME companies. And therefore, a lot of our energies, apart from what we are doing with MNC and large corporates, is also in bringing MSME clients.
Your video has paused, Rashesh.
Sorry?
I think you're looking at chat box, so meanwhile your video has paused. Now it is better.
Sorry. So I have come back. I was looking at the chat box. Yes, so I've got telephone numbers of Rajesh and Sudhir. We will contact you for sure. Thank you so much. And believe you me, guys, recruitment industry is a great industry to be in, but don't expect to get rich overnight. ये lottery ticket नहीं है. This is not a lottery ticket. It is an industry which gives you great returns if you are dedicated, if you're focused on it, and if you can get good work done. And Satish, you asked me a question, is there a cap on the number of positions? No. If you can handle more work, we are happy to give you more work. Only thing is the quantity and the quality of work that you're putting in on the assignment, they must not be compromised.
And audience, I have put in chat box number of Snehal. Our number already have put 9769771504. She's from Talent Corner. For any query, if you would like to connect to Talent Corner, she is the right person to connect. Also, I have put www.talentcorner.in, which is a website of Talent Corner. You can directly contact Snehal, or through website, you can connect them directly. So, anybody is left with any question? Maybe in chat box or by raising your hand. I think, okay. Just a second.
I have also put in my...
Somebody is raising his hand. Just a second.
Yeah. So my mobile number is also chat if anybody wants to get connected. Gautam, you are raising your hand. You can ask a question.
Sir, regarding portal, Naukri and Shine, like what is the limit we have to acquire like candidates? Any searching limit there?
In Naukri, there is a searching limit. In Shine, there is no searching limit. It's unlimited. So when we talk to you on the phone, we will explain to you what the searching limits are and how you can make good use of the same. But I can tell you in Naukri, we have something called the RMS data, which is currently 9 lakh resumes, and we are going to grow it in the next 2 months to 15 lakhs. So in spite of a limit being there, don't worry about it. You'll do pretty well without the limit.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the answer.
Okay.
Okay. When Veturi is telling that we are in contact with Parishita from Talent Corner.
Yes,
okay. Parishita. Okay, Parishita. So we can continue further with her to start, or we have to talk with Snehal?
No, you can continue to talk to Preshita. Preshita will also be able to help you out, and she will get you connected to me as well. So don't worry about it. Preshita, my mobile number is also put, and Snehal is also available. The team is one. We are going to be one together. And yes, AJ, I've got your name, Ajay Pratap Singh.
Ajay Pratap Singh, yes.
And
yes.
It says, Bapu is asking me, can we recruit our own recruitment team working under us for growing the business? Yes, you can. But my strong suggestion, Bapu, is at least right now to start off with, please start doing this business yourself. And only once you get your hands dirty, when you understand the business, when you have learned the business, then recruit a team of people. Believe you me, you will make a lot more money. Be patient in this business.
Sure. Yeah. That's what my question. I just wanted to get in first train or first to be like dirt our hands in all the recruitment process for 6 months, 1 year's time. And once we got the confidence, then definitely we'll have some more team to grow the business.
Yes. I'm
I
happy
think
to
Rashesh, we were in talk last 1 year in, you were in Pune that time. I was not able to meet you. But definitely now I would be interested in doing this. So definitely we'll get in touch. I have your number. So
yes, please feel free to do so. Thank you so much, Doctor, for coming in.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going towards the closure of the session. So you can take the numbers and website details from the chat box. If you have not taken yet, you can. This is the time you can take all the details. So you can directly contact to the team, Talent Corner team. Okay, fine. So Rashesh, even I had few questions, but I think during the session and during the question of all the audience, even I think almost all the questions has been covered. So so today's was really a wonderful session, and personally I felt it very good because audience participated wonderfully with different and unique kind of questions. I'm sure you are feeling the same thing.
Yes.
Yes. So audience, almost we have tried to cover, Rashesh has tried to cover all your queries, all your questions. For more detail, more queries, you can connect them. I'm sure they will definitely help you, guide you in each and every process, step by step. They are going to guide you, help you, support you as a franchisee partner to join hands with them. My personal suggestion to you, as I have shared initially during starting this webinar, if you want to start a business, take decision now in 2020. Forget 2020, 2021 has to be the target. 2021 को target लेके चलिए and take decision within a timeline. एक deadline आप decision लेके चले कि in 10 days मुझे decide करना है, I want to start a business. Maybe not this or any business, but don't think this is a golden, ऐसा golden situation अभी बाद में नहीं आने वाला है. Start it, and of course HR recruitment industry flourish कर रही है इंडिया में, तो बहुत ही flourish कर रही है because राजेश ने कुछ ऐसे डेटा हमें बताया जो शायद हमें पता ही नहीं था. हम लोग काफी मिसकंसेप्शन में चल रहे थे because of the media what we are sharing with us कि यहाँ पे ले ऑफ्स हो रहा है, लोगों को निकाला जा रहा है. बट ग्राउंड लेवल रियलिटी काफी अलग है जो राजेश ने शेयर करी के काफी उससे ज्यादा लेवल पे तो हायरिंग हो रहा है. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड क्या गैप है. और जैसे एक पर्सन जो अश्योरेंस जैसी बात कर रहे थे ना, बट जहाँ पे चैलेंज है ना वहीं पे तो बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अगर ये काम इतना ही इजी हो जाता, इतना ही आसान होता, तो हमारी या आपकी या रशीश की जरूरत ही क्या रहती थी, right? Because there is a challenge for somebody, so there is a business opportunity for another guy, right? But a good part is that Rashesh ने पिछले 18 सालों में उनकी टीम ने completely इसको fundamentally infrastructure इतना wonderfully establish किया है, and with their experience, with their team member, 200 plus team member and 2500 plus employers, I'm sure you are going to get lot many opportunities to prove yourself if you join as a franchisee. So my personal recommendation, अगर आप सोच रहे हैं, अगर आपके बजट का challenges है, आपको घर से कोई छोटा business start करना है, this is the time to join this business, join hands with Rashesh and their team, Talent Corner. So I wish you all good health, good future for your next career move. Rashesh, any closing statement from your end?
Thank you so much, everybody, for joining in. I know it was supposed to be a 1 hour session. It's extended to an hour and a half. And thank you so much for being there. And I really look forward to interacting with you. My mobile number is on the screen with you. My team's mobile number is also there. Feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to take this further. Thank you, Samir Bhai, for this effort of allowing us to present our brand and helping us grow. Thank you so much.
It's always been our great pleasure to introduce new brands, new people like you who support their franchisee in their career path and growing to the next level. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Wish you all the best for the coming time. Thank you.
Thank you.